if it is natural for cows to be outside. Unfortunately, this is not always possible. Weather conditions like tropical heat, strong wind, and rain, or even snow create the need for shelter. Good quality feed is always available under roof. It's depending on human interaction. Every group needs different ratio for optimal growth and production. For example, require limited access to milk and feed for good growth and development. Milking cows require an average 45 to 50 kg feed per day. This needs to be available day and night. So feeds has to be distributed and pushed frequently. One single cow needs approximately 200 liters fresh water per day, and she should lie down at least 12 hours per day. So she should be comfortable and clean. Cows determine themselves when they want to be milked. The milking robot attracts the cow and they recognize when the cow enters. Some cows needs more time in having feed when they are being milked, and dry cows don't visit the milking robot at all. Therefore, individual feeders ensures that every cow get the feed as they need. It's normal during the day, floor gets dirtier, and it needs to be cleaned frequently to prevent hygiene related health issues. So washing and caring for the hooves helps keeping hooves healthy. Cow house can be further enhanced by the right skincare. Brushing the skin enhances the blood circulation, which leads to more relaxed cows. If cows need medical treatment, the treatment box enhances the safety of both farmer and cow. Lactating cows perform optimally with 16 hours light in a day. During the dark days, artificial light mimics the longer summer days. Even in the most comfortable shed, it's good that cows can graze outside when conditions allow this. A selection gate communicates directly with the milking robot to determine which cow is allowed to go outside. A wind turbine can enhance the profitability of the farm and helping the farm to be self-sufficient and sustainable. Farmers improve animal health, reproduction, feeding and milking with all the available information, which is supported by the one management system with the best advice and right paths, cleaning and caring for the product. Farmers can rest assured that their equipments will remain easy to use, efficient and long lasting. Farm management advices help farmers to optimize their business and results. All the products makes life of farmers easier, their business is more successful, their operations are more sustainable and create bright future for them. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video with all friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you again with new videos. Bye. Jai Hind.